Yes people, it's another episode with total idiots on the road. Welcome back to the Maxi channel, and another epic episode is up for you to enjoy. So, without any further ado, let's jump right into this episode. This lady pulled out onto the road right in front of the biker. This was scary close, as he had to slam his brakes to avoid getting toasted. This is what happened when he pulled up next to them.
What? Hey! Put your window down. When you pulled off back there, you pulled back into me. I had to slam on my brakes. I was honking at you and everything.
Oh, I'm sorry.
You almost took me out.
I'm very sorry.
It's fine. I just wanted to, like, you didn't acknowledge it or nothing, so.
I didn't see you.
Huh?
I heard the honk.
Yeah, you guys, I was literally like, both my brakes locked up and I was like this over it. I was just letting you know, like.
The guy behind us was swerving and
yeah,
drums and she pulled off.
Yeah, it could have been way worse. Everything worked out. I just wanted to let you know, like, just to keep your eyes out a little bit better. I was. Whew. Yeah, it's fine. You guys have a good night, though.
Thank God you're okay.
Okay, yeah. Be safe out there. You guys have a good night.
This crazy Java made an illegal U-turn right in front of the biker, and he was upset with him for something. Crazy Java tried to cut right in front of the biker, and what's worse, he even tried to do it in front of a police vehicle. Unbelievable. Indicating does not give you the right of way. You always have to check your mirrors before changing lanes.
Come on.
This Java will eventually get someone in trouble, and that's for sure. Apparently, one Java pulled a gun at the biker who was at the end of the group, and at the next traffic lights, all hell broke loose when he caught up to him.
EC3. What's the you mother? Hey, 260.
It's not like you're gonna see a skilled street performer like this every day. Enjoy. Looks like someone's exhaust is going crazy.
Caralho. Parece que é carro movido a carvão, mano.
Even this pedestrian doesn't know which way he's going. This biker rode out to give some bracelets to strangers in traffic and to spread positive vibes overall. Check it out.
I like that. There's a lot of traffic out today. Yeah. Well, be safe, because I've already had a couple people try and kill me. Yeah. Yeah. What's up, buddy? We're on a YouTube channel. Yeah. That's a nice bike, man.
Yeah. It's not as nice as yours, though.
A new rider went down at the traffic lights. Just as she was about to completely stop, she lost her balance and dropped her bike. Luckily, she wasn't injured in this situation.
All around me are familiar faces, worn out.
You okay?
Yeah. Yep.
Yeah.
I've ridden 12 miles.
That's for you.
Thanks.
I run a YouTube channel.
I'm gonna crash today.
There you go.
Oh, thanks, brother.
Just trying to get it home.
Can you touch?
Define touch.
Like touch the ground
Yeah.
good? Yeah.
Just wasn't in the gear I thought it was in.
Hey, good dude.
Thanks.
Yeah. Hey, if you guys don't feel comfortable, I'll lend assistance wherever you need it.
Oh, I
Yeah, I
appreciate that, man.
I mean, I can park my bike. I mean, it's up to you just to get it there if you're not feeling comfortable.
This biker came across a car wreck. Something crazy must have happened for a vehicle to end up there. Everyone looked to be okay though, and that's the most important thing. Hello, Cone. Where did you come from? How can someone be this reckless and just pull out onto the road without even looking left or right first?
And I have a feeling they're going to go straight instead of turning. See? Now if people hit him, become their fault.
Is a big issue because what the?
Dude, what the
Deus, véi! Porra, véi! Ô, véi, olha pro retrovisor, véi! Pelo amor de Deus, olha a faixa que a gente tá aqui, véi! Pelo amor de Deus, véi!
Pay close attention at the Volkswagen driver in front of the biker. What he did next? Poof! Not so cool, man. Looks like someone has problems in yielding.
What the idiot, man! Up to you, mate, really. I'm just heading home the news. I was going to jump in a wee shower anyway, so I'll probably work out around about the same time. Whoa! What are you doing? Stupid! Really? Dude, man. Sake, man.
This crazy driver pulled out in front of the biker without indicating, looking at his mirrors, or in general looking at all. The biker had to slam his brakes, and boy oh boy was he upset. And with this quip, we reach the end of yet another epic episode on Maxi channel. I hope you enjoyed watching and learning something as well. Remember to indicate on time, check your mirrors, and drive according to the speed limit. Until the next episode, ride safe and take care.